Hey, it's Walter Van Dusen from Field Test Media. I am doing a very comprehensive testing of the Canon C50 with Sennheiser audio. I'm going to the Atomos Ninja TX and a little behind the scenes. And I'm just doing a test. The reason why I would be possibly switching from the Sony series to the Canon series would be because of the open gate on the C50, also open gate on the C400. The C50 has dual gain ISO and the C400 has triple gain ISO. To see if I want to switch from the Sony system to the Canon system. We have audio going into the audio input on the side of the camera. We are recording onto a C-Fast Type E. We have wireless audio coming from the Sennheiser series, recording on board. Also recording back up to this. We have a light to my left, camera right. I can see myself. We are filming in C-Log 3, Cine Gear, I believe. Follow my face. Is it on face tracking? Thank you. I am now walking to the sides to see if it is tracking me. I'm going to turn around, see if it's still tracking me. I am walking towards the camera. Is it continuous face tracking?
So when you turn your head, if you look at it,
It lost me?
I
I am walking. I am walking. Still tracking me? Thank you. We're just doing the tracking right now. We are recording audio. Is it on eye tracking?
right, it's on fade.
There's an eye option. We are recording on the Canon C50 and C-Log 3 Canon Cine. We're also recording to the Ninja TX. Both cameras are recorded onto a Type E C-Fast card. We have audio going into the audio input jack on the C50 from a Sennheiser. We are wirelessly transmitting to the Sennheiser that's mounted on top of the C50. I am also recording onto the handheld XLR. I'm just trying to see how it's working. Is it tracking me? Is it my eyes now?
It's taking your face, but then, yeah, it's still got you.
Okay, thank you. So we're just going to do a walking towards the camera. I'm going to use my quads. And we're walking, almost time to leave. And we should be in C-Log 3 on the camera. And we're going to go to the side, and we're going to the right. And we're going to see how this is. So this has been a Field Test Media exclusive using the Canon C50 with the new PZ camera. That's a 20 to 50 lens, right? The new PZ full frame 20 to 50 lens with internal servo, no adapting required. We are going into the audio. I can see the audio gains on my Sennheiser. We have a little behind the scenes, and we are just recording so I can play with the footage to see if I want to switch. Our lady is now walking into frame. She is now exiting the frame. She seemed very excited to see what's going on. We are walking around to see how the autofocus is doing. We have a light to my left, camera right, and we're just doing a test to see how the open gate on the C50 is working out, focusing on me, the handsome gentleman from Lexington, Massachusetts. And we're going to put this footage together. This is also a Field Test Media exclusive because we have a Atomos Ninja TX. We also have the new 20 to 50 PZ lens by Canon going with some audio. We did a custom white balance. I am now going to present my little white card to see if it works. Just to see if we can have a place to do the white balance. If I have any issues with my custom white balance, we'll do a little white balance. And that's pretty much it. So we have to thank the nice gentleman named Andrew that set up the camera for me. We had somebody else to help us out too, but Andrew from Canon was very kind and patient. gave me a good explanation, and we're doing open gate on the C50. We are at Cine Gear Expo, LA, in the Canon booth. I am now recording a test for field test meter to see if I want to switch from the Sony system to the. We want to see if I want to switch from the Sony system to the Canon system, where the C50 would replace my FX3 and FX30, open gate, and we'll also possibly switch from my FX6 to the C400. So this has been it. I'd like to conclude this with thank you and Andrew. Have a great day. Thank you very much. That concludes my testing.